Okay, what I'm showing here is this app we're using with our Keyestudio smart home. There's an app that is described in the tutorials, the wiki that they have for this smart home. Here's an example of the smart home. It's a little different than the one we've got. I think it's an upgraded version. It's on the Keyestudio website. Here's the tutorial that goes with the whole smart home. This I've downloaded. Here is the make code tutorial link. I just searched for Keyestudio Smart Home Make Code Wiki, Make Code Microbit, and that brings up this. And then when I downloaded it, it's quite a lengthy tutorial about all of the different parts and assembly and how it works. And I found that there is an app that works, they say it works with both Android and iOS. And they give you the code that goes with it. Now, what I'm trying to find out is, using this code, what do these icons do? And so I wrote some additional code using this mode of smiley face and adding in a 16 neopixel array plugged into pin 1. So I'll show you that, and I'll put a link to this code in the video. I'm just trying to discover what all this code means. And there's a lot of it, and it goes along with all of these icons here. That's what the app looks like. And this is on an iOS phone. The app is in the App Store under IoT Microbit. That's what the app is called. And the code is given to operate the app. And what I did was I just went into the mode of the faces, smiley faces and frowny faces right here, and I added colors for on the neopixel on pin 1 for each different face. Face mode. So that's how I'm trying to study and learn how this app works and what these various icons control. There's some description in the wiki about it. Now, they also say that this app works on Android. I've not been able to get it to work on my Samsung Android phone. I've been able to get it to work on some Apple phones, but not all of them. It could have to do with the age of the phone. If it's a very old phone, it may not work with this app. So I'm going to put the link to the code in the description of this video. You should be able to find the app in the App Store. We press connect. We're given the option of which to connect to. When you see the check mark, that means you're connected. Goes back to this function. Touch the face the way I've got it coded. It turns on LEDs. Touch the other face twice and it turns it to a different color. It shows a different face. So that implies that we can add a lot of other functionality and then use this app to control this. You can see that it does different reactions when I touch different icons. So there will be more about all this.